Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are going to study the second chapter of the science from the 7th standard, plants, structure and functions. Introduction. In this lesson, we shall learn about the different parts of the plants such as roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, etc. The structure and types of roots and stem, their parts of leaves of the flower and their function are important point of this lesson. Explanation. Root. Root is the fundamental part of a plant. If we keep moth beans or a gram seed soaked in water for 2 to 3 days, what changes occur in them? The part that grows from inside the seed towards the soil is called the radicle. And the part that grows above the soil is called the plumule. The root that forms from the radicle grows into the ground. The root is thick near the ground and gradually tapers to a pointed end. Root of some plant produce secondary roots that grow obliquely and spread and wide in the soil. This type of root is called a tap root. Root bear hair-like process near the root tip. These are root hairs. The root tip is delicate. This is the region of the growth of the root. The tip is covered by a cap-like structure called the root cap. The root cap protects the root tip from injuries. Types of roots. Therefore, there are two types of roots, the taproot and the fibrous root. Dicotyledonous plants have taproot while the monocotyledonous plants have fibrous roots. Plants like maize, sugarcane, sorghum have two types of roots. Some roots are underground whereas some grow from the stem just above the soil. The latter are called adventitious root. Besides the normal functions like absorption of water and minerals, anchoring and supporting the plant, the root performs some other functions too. Some examples of such modified roots are aerial roots, stilled root, runners, breathing root, etc. Stem. The stem grows above the soil from the plumule of sprouting seed. As the sprout grows, the length of stem gradually increases too. Leaves comes out at the nodes. There are nodes on the stem. The part of stem between two nodes is called internode. The tip or apical end of the stem is called a bud. Leaves. Leaf grows from the nodes on a stem. Leaves are generally thin, flat and green in color. The broad, spread out part of the leaf is called leaf blade or lamina and its edge is called leaf margin. Leaf margin may be entire, dentate or lobed. The tip of the leaf is called the leaf apex. It may be tapering, pointed or rounded. Leaves of some plants have a stalk called a petiole. Leaves of plants do not have a petiole. The portion of the leaf attached to the stem is called the leaf base. Some small leaf-like structure may be present near the leaf base. These are called stipules. Types of leaves. There are two types of leaves. They are simple leaves and compound leaves. Leaves of some plant have a single undivided leaf blade and single mid-ray. Such leaves are called simple leaves. However, the leaf blade of leaves in some plant is divided into many small parts called leaflets. Such leaves are called compound leaves. For example, simple leaf mango, hibiscus, peepal. Compound leaves neem, gulmohar. Arrangement and structure of the leaves. In different plants, the arrangement of leaves on the stem is different. It may be alternate, opposite, whorled, spiral, etc. According to shape, leaves are rounded, ovate, palmate, lanceolate. The peepal leaf is divided into two equal parts by a single. They are branched and form a network of reticulum. Thus, the peepal leaf blade has reticulate venation. On the other hand, in leaves of maize, all veins are parallel, running from the leaf base to the leaf apex. Thus, maize leaf blade has parallel venation. Flower. Flower has a long or short stalk called pedicle. On end of the pedicle is attached to the stem. The other end of the pedicle is attached to the stem. The other end of the pedicle is expanded and swollen. Receptacle. Petals and other parts of the flower are supported on the receptacle. Calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium are different parts of the flower. Calyx. In the bud condition, the petals are covered by leaf-like part called the sepals, which are green in color. They form the calyx. Corolla. This is made up of colorful parts called the petals. The shape, color and smell of the corolla of various flowers are different. Androecium. This is made reproductive part of the flower. It consists of stamen. Each stamen is made up of anther and filament. Gynoecium. This is the female reproductive part of the flower. This is made up of carpels. A carpel consists of a stigma, style and ovary. After maturity, anthers burst and the pollen grains which are released fall on the stigma. This process is called pollination. Due to pollination, ovules, that is egg cells in the ovary, get fertilized. Fertilized ovules from the seeds and the ovary develop into the fruit. Fruit. We eat many different types of fruit. Each type of fruit has its own characteristics. There are variations in their shape, color, taste, etc. Some fruits have spiny skin. Some fruits are juicy while some are fleshy. Some fruits have only seeds inside them and some many seeds. Some consist of many small fruitlets. Seeds which get divided into two equal parts are called the dicotyledonous seeds. Seeds which do not divide into the two equal parts are called monocotyledonous seeds. Summary. Root, stem, leaves and flower are the parts of a plant. The part that grows from the seed towards the soil is called the radicle and the part that grows above the soil is called the plumule. There are two main types of the roots, taproot and a fibrous root. The stem grows above the soil from the plumule of a sprouting seed. Buds, nodes and internodes are the part of the stem. The broad spread out part of the leaf is the leaf blade. Its edge is leaf margin. The tip of the leaf is called the leaf apex. Leaves of some plants have petioles and others do not have petioles. Some have stipules, others do not have them. Simple leaf and compound leaf are the two main types of the leaves. In different plants, the arrangement of leaves may be alternate, opposite, whorled, spiral, etc. Flowers may have a long, short stalk called pedicel. Petals and other parts of the flower called pedicel. Petals and other parts of the flower are supported on receptacle. Calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium are the different parts of the flower. After maturity, anthers burst and pollen grain fall on the stigma. It is called pollination. Seeds which divided into two equal parts are called dicotyledonous seeds, and which do not divide into two equal parts are called as monocotyledonous seeds.